we can use a little bit of mine.
I don't want to.
Please.
Okay. And then we have a little bit of her horrible slime from a long time ago.
No, it's really fluffy.
It was really good. Yeah, it's really fluffy. But I guess it's good. You see that little pink thing right there? That's her monkey hanging out. So this is a slime smoothie. And we're just going to mix it. It's so weird because it has all these different textures in it.
The reason why, well,
I should probably take the ring off.
the reason why we both added it, or why she was about to add this in her other video that she didn't post, because our mom called us, or called me, or called her and me. So, and we're pretty sure this is my slime or hers, but it really.
I'm pretty sure it's yours because I didn't know that doesn't even look like a slime I had, and I just kept it because no one claimed it. So I'm pretty sure it's Kaylee's.
It's the color and how much supposed to be. Oh my god, she has 2 color eyes.
Bella. Oh yeah, that's
Cutie.
that's just because she's blind.
She's like.
Her
Alright,
cross-eyed.
guys, I'm gonna go make lunch for us because at the other video I just like okay. So I had to go make lunch for us because our mom and dad are at the doctor's. Our mom's coming home soon.
Wait, hold on.
But
Guys, I'm gonna be adding glitter, and
just
comment
got
down below
glitter.
which color you think this is gonna turn out.
I think it's
Purple
gonna turn
or
out like
gray?
purple.
I think it's gonna turn out
Can I
like a
add
purple.
this?
No, I'm adding it. Do you not hear me say that?
And also
Let's just add it right now.
that's what I added.
Oh, you wanted to add it?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said, can I have this? Okay, she can have the rest.
Sorry.
There was a really scary
Wait,
storm.
can I dump it in there?
Yeah, there was a really scary storm here yesterday. It was.
Our power
We had
legit went out.
Yeah, it was like a tornado. We had tornado warnings and watches. How are you gonna go make lunch? I'm gonna call this purple snow slime because I think, well, whatever color it turns out to be, that's what I'm gonna name it. Whatever snow slime.
Wait, let's do the outro.
No, because I'm not done.
Call me when you're done so I can do the outro.
Okay.
The reason why I'm leaving is to make lunch right now. Bye.
All right, so I'll see you guys when this is all mixed in. I'm gonna cut it when I'm no, stop. I'm gonna cut it when I edit it. What color do you think it's gonna be?
Like a greenish or a greenish or a purplish.
I think a purplish, but I don't know. Like maybe like a brown. Can you give me water? Yes.
Oh, green.
What?
So damage I have. Let's just not add it. Just to use. Hey, want to add some beads into it?
No, I don't want it to be crunchy.
Here is your water.
All right, welcome back. It's not mixed in, but we're just gonna add some water into it because it's really stiff because all the clay slimes we had. So let's add some. Let's pour some in there. Kaylee,
You're the one who was tapping it.
that loud noise is just our washer. It
Really
does that
annoying.
Yeah, it does it when it's done, and it scares the
All right.
heck out of us.
So guys, I just came back to give her some of the water and the cup. So now I'm gonna leave, but when the outro comes,
I'm gonna call her.
When we're gonna do the outro, she's gonna call me, but not gonna call me. She's just, I'm just gonna be in our kitchen.
You guys, look how,
It's so stiff.
because it has all these clay slimes.
Since mom's gone, I'll just make some bananas. I haven't found like a really thing that's really cool to do with a banana.
All right, I'm gonna add. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys when maybe it's mixed in, but when I think I had a lot of water and it's a good point. So you can see you guys then. Ready? Bye. It'll be right now. I'll see you guys again. Go. Ching ching, wanna bang bang. Oh my god. That's so cool.
What is?
You know that glow in the dark slime? If I rip it and that slime's right there, it'll be like stringy. What the heck are you doing?
I got bananas. I tried to go fast and it did not work.
Alright guys, so it's... Alright guys, so I have... It's not all mixed in, but it's obviously getting kind of green. And
I'm kidding. I don't know
I'm going to add more water, but I'm not going to do that during the video because I got to edit. But yeah, let's do the outro now. You ready? Alright guys, I'll see you next week.